How to type on MacBook Air keyboard. Hello everyone, I am Bishalka and welcome to our channel. Now let's get right into the tutorial. Typing the symbol on MacBook is pretty simple, but it varies slightly depending on your keyboard layout and region. Here is a step-by-step guide. Firstly, locate the Shift key. It's the key with an upward-facing arrow found on both sides of the keyboard. Now press and hold the Shift key. While pressing and holding the Shift key, tap on the 2 key on your keyboard, which is right above the letter keys. As a result, you will see the symbol. And just in case, if the symbol does not work for you, change the keyboard layout. Go to System Settings by tapping on your Apple icon on the top left of your screen and then tapping on System Preferences. Further, tap on Keyboard and then enable Show Keyboard and Emoji Viewers in menu bar, and then tap on the keyboard icon in the menu bar to display the keyboard viewer and locate the symbol. So this is how you can type on MacBook keyboard. If you find this tutorial helpful, please like the video and do comment if you have any queries. Also, do subscribe to our channel for more helpful tutorials like this. See you on the next one.